morning, my name is Dianti. I from KGA. I give a thought of a day. We have two hands. One hand to help ourselves. Second hand to help others. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gunidua from KG Esters. I will be giving talk of the day. Firefighters work for the fire department. Firefighter's job is to put out fire and rescue people. They save many lives and properties. He is always ready of any urgent call of fire. He has special uniform and boots and helmet which protect from the heat. Every year, Firefighters Day celebrated on the 4th May. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sultanat. I am studying in LKG. Today I am going to tell about the little red egg story. The little red egg. A little red hen laid a little red egg. The little red egg was the strangest thing that anyone had ever seen. The little red egg had little red legs. A naughty boy called Ted came to the farm. He saw the little red egg resting with its red mother hen. The scared egg went pitter-patter on its little red legs that ran after it. The little red egg went and hid in the sheep's pen. But that fed the sheep and they led him to the little red egg. Next, the little red egg went and hid in the farmer's cake. But it had pulled out the bag from the cake